The National Association Act was signed in law in February and prohibited identical sex wedding, that was at first authorized by the High Trial in May 2017. Secretary of Household Sphere Walton Tan told at the period how the law-proven Bermudians do not wish identical sex wedding. The law was sharply embattled by LGBT propaganda groups and seen as a main move ago. But the top trial controlled Tuesday how the National Association Act was discriminate and disrupted constitutionally secured freedoms. In his judgment, Head Judiciary Ian Kawali wrote how Parliament could not reasonably inverse the trial's judgment how identical sex wedding was a order guarantee by Bermuda Act. Tan told by the government would circulation the High Trial governing, on to Bermudians' King Gazette. Loving wins. Once again the governing was famous by world propaganda groups how saw by the government's annul of wedding equity as a hazardous precedence. Loving wins once again. Our hearts and hopes are complete, thanks to the historical judgment by our High Trial and its acceptance how all Bermudian families question, the propaganda team OUT Bermuda told in a declaration. Equity by the law is our primogeniture, and we start by manufacturing each wedding equivalent. OUT Bermuda was one of the plaintiffs in the instance in several Bermudians disputing for the order to wed their partners. This Bermudian High Trial has righted the inequity how occurred while Bermuda lawmakers done the islands the at first domestic area in the planet to annul wedding equity, told Ty Cobb, CEO of Humane Rights Campaigning's World Division. We greet the plaintiffs in the instance on their historical win enabling how one day once again, loving wins.